Hello guys, welcome back. So here I'm gonna show you one of the trade on my radar. All right, just not this is not a tips or a signal for you guys, because if you don't understand QML, don't trade. Okay, or if you do not know supply or demand advance, don't trade. This is my trading style. So let's kickstart this trade. All right, so first of all, what we can see right here is that we have a very clear QML level. Let me switch it to H4 for a proper. Okay, we have a very clear QML level. So where is it? This is it. The price went up, going up, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Then suddenly there is a big drop. So QML, we have QML. I just make a very simple draw so that some of you guys that do not know QML know what is a QML. So when the price make the last higher high, okay, then suddenly there is a drop. Okay, there is a drop which broke the previous low. So this is considered a QML. And what we are going to do is that we are doing our best to find an entry at this area when the price came back to this area for a drop. Okay, so this is a QML sell setup. Okay, let's clear everything. And what we can see over here, this is a QML late retest, because the left shoulder and the right shoulder, I don't know where is it, will be very far away. Okay, so let me tell you how I'm gonna approach this trade. So first of all, sorry for that. First of all, what we can see right here is that there is a lot of rejection, or what we call it as a manipulation by the big bankers. This is a fake out. This is a fake out. Okay, if you look at it, the price is moving and then it is making a fake out. All right, so before that, let me take this line out first. So a lot of us that trade QML, this is a trap. I tell you, this is a trap. Okay, even me myself, I nearly got caught in this trap. Why? Let me tell you. Okay, I switched it to H1. I was looking at H1, and then when I saw this movement, okay, this place, this area, this is another QML. Oh my god, I was thinking that where is the possible entry? Then I go into smaller time frame, I find the MPL, everything. I think that then I told myself, I know this is definitely will work. But because of my rules, okay, everyone must have their own rules. Because of my own rules, what I always did is that this is my left shoulder, this is my head, right? I always do this thing. I always put a line on the head. Okay, I always put a line on my head, and then I switch it to bigger time frame. Then I saw that it collides with other resistance. All right, then I move it further down. There is another resistance. So to me now, is this QML valid? Okay, I can tell you, okay, through my experience, this is not a QML. This is not a QML. This is a manipulation, which we call it as a diamond setup. If you guys do not know what is a diamond setup, so let me draw it. Okay, diamond setup is that, okay, this area is a QML. I don't want to know. Then there is a fake out. We all know what is a fake out. Means that a retest. Okay, retest several times. Okay, usually on the third or the second retest, it will make another small QML. Okay, it will make a QML over here. Okay, it will make a QML. This is a manipulation again. Okay, letting you or fooling you. Should I say fooling you? That you think that the price, when it comes back to this area, it will drop. All right, no, this won't happen. What will happen next is that the price will usually went up and fill your QML to meet the bigger QML at the bigger time frame for the real drop. So this is what we call it as a diamond setup. This is a diamond setup. Okay, so if you look at it exactly the same, this is a diamond setup, not only once but many times. This is another fake out, and then this is another fake out again. If you see, this is a QML, but there is no return. Okay, then this is another fake out. So to me, I think that there is a possible is making a diamond setup for a bigger time frame. So come, let's look back at the previous trade. So where is my possible entry? Now we focus at this area. We label our QML. Sorry for that. QML. Alright, we label our QML. I put my line on my QML. Okay, that is not all. Then what we do is that we go to lower time frame. We look for MPL. QML is not important. I do not want to know where is the QML right now. QML is just a signal for me to tell me that the price is reversing. So I'll be looking at a MPL. So where is my MPL? So this, by the way, I must stress this out. This is how I analyze and how I put my entry. Okay, it depends on you guys. If you are not comfortable or do not want to do this, it's up to you. So what I do is that I move this line because this line is already considered useless for me. So I move this line to a place where there is a lot of rejection. Okay, where there is a lot of rejection. So this is the place. This is the place for me. This is my MPL. This is my MPL. Alright? Because there is a lot of clear rejection. Even though when the price went down, it came back up and then reject, and then before it goes down. So where is my possible entry? It will be from the top to the bottom. Alright, so let's see how many pips this is. 30 something pips. Are you comfortable with it? If not, let's go down some more. Okay, to see is there any possible entry. Some more. Let me see. Area. Let me see. All right. Okay. All right. So for me, this is how I analyze. I have my QML first, MPL right here, right? Now I saw another MPL. It can be like that. Don't worry, it can be like that. But this time, because I want to make it more assured. Okay, this time when I switch it to small time frame, I saw another MPL which is more convincing. This area. Why do I say so? So first of all, there is a rejection. This is the thing that makes me convince myself. Okay, when the price break this high, it makes a demand zone over here. Not only that, the price came back and retest again. So when the price came back down, okay, it makes a double maru. So meaning that this area, there is a very strong resistance. Okay, so came back down, went back up, reject. Then suddenly there is nothing. The price went back up and then came down all the way. So to me, this is a very clear area for me. So but how do I place my trade? Because there is two fresh zone from at this moment. Okay, I can see two fresh zone. So let me change the color so that it's easier to see. So first zone is over here, right? And then my second zone is over here. Now, because this is very close, too close together, so what I'll do is that I'll combine it, because let me see the stop loss. Yes, because it's still within my tolerance, 12 pips. All right, if you guys follow me for a while, you know that I like to trade GBPUSD with 10 to 12 pips. So this is within my tolerance. So what I'll do is that I'll definitely will place my trade from here to this area. All right, so this is definitely where I'll place my trade. Okay, so now let's go back. Let's go back to the bigger picture. Okay, take this out, extend it. I have a way to extend it. Sorry for that. I have a way. I just learned a new way to extend my box. Okay, by using Fibonacci tools. Okay, let's. All right, so right. So this will be my Q zone. This will be my Q zone for a trade to come back down. All right, this will be my Q zone. So 12 pips, my risk, I'll be aiming for around, I don't know, maybe around 100 over pips. Definitely this will be a 1 to 10 ratio, more than that. Okay, this will be my Q zone. So that's all for me. Just remember that be careful when you trade or when you see a QM level. Not all QM level is a QM level. You always check with the head. If the head collides with other resistance or support, okay, if you're doing a buy, then it might be a possible diamond setup. Alright guys, so hopefully you guys learn a few tips or tricks about this trade. So see you guys next time. Bye.